folks, from my walk today in Bodega Bay on the Coastal Prairie Trail. And I'm right here at the Children's Bell Tower, dedicated to the memory of Nicolas Green. It's just there in the distance. I'll get a closer view of it in a minute. I did do an earlier video of this a couple of years ago, but I wanted to bring this to your attention. The tree, which has dozens and dozens of handmade and homemade items such as chimes and shells and driftwood pieces of art. Well, there's even a bicycle there now. All sorts of little potteries and stained glass. There's photos. There's painted rocks. All sorts of interesting items. Just show you some of them. It's windy, so we're getting some of the sounds too. The one tree has morphed into actually 3 trees full of these delightful memorial items. These trees have grown from being just a memorial for the one deceased little boy to memorials for the relatives and loved ones of many, many people from all over. Some are signed and most are anonymous. Some probably have great meaning, and some may be more generic, but I just can't believe how many are here now, how rich of a spot this has become. Let's go take a look at the Children's Bell Tower, and I'll remind you of what that is all about. This plaque tells the story, but I'll sum it up for you as well. The summary of the story is that Nicolas Green was 7 years old when he traveled with his parents, who are from Bodega, to Italy. And he was shot and killed in a highway robbery type of thing. And his parents generously donated his organs, which saved the lives of 7 Italians. And so, even though the tragedy was profound, they found a way to provide some sort of continuity of life, giving life to others by donating his organs. And this bell tower was created in his memory. That's a brief summary of the story. There's more details, but just to let you know, it's a very touching memorial. I do have another video on it, and I will reference that. We'll go back to these trees and on to my hike. Just one more quick look. And people do leave all sorts of things here as well. Okay. Back to the Coastal Prairie Trail, my hike for today. You go over a boardwalk and onto a dirt path, about a half a mile down to the first stop. Somebody went to some great trouble here to make a shrine, a little teepee structure, some sort of driftwood structure. Interesting. Okay, when I said the first stop, I meant this parking area, which is your turn in for Bodega Dunes campground. And then there is the, well, right here is the road that would take you to that campground. And here is the rest of the Coastal Prairie Trail that will take you into Salmon Creek.